Hello people and welcome back to Car on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the best road moments caught on driver's dashcam, from close calls to road rage and many more. Of course, this episode is full of epic moments and hopefully you'll enjoy watching. Without any further ado, let's get these clips rolling. As the camera got into a garage to find a parking spot, she was in for a surprise. Another driver came way too fast around the corner and it came to a head-on collision. Driver ran a red light at a high rate of speed and he hit the back end of a Jeep. Even though it was night and the intersection looked to be empty, it still came to an accident. Camera got rear-ended by a reckless driver, and the impact caused her to hit the vehicle in front of her as well. Pay close attention at this champion right here. He was tired of waiting for the ramp to lift, so he forced his way.
Run it through. Right now.
If you think that drinking and driving is cool, well, this video is for you to watch.
Dude! What are you doing?
While changing lanes, always make sure to indicate on time and check your side mirrors before proceeding with a lane change. crazy semi-truck driver passed the camera and tried to force him out of the road completely. Check out this crazy and scary footage.
Look what you're doing, man.
Dubois sought the demon would soon use him to unleash unthinkable cruelty. Save his family's life and any others.
Don't let your emotions become misguided. Return back to joy. Stay committed to returning to love, and you can trust me.
President Biden did what presidents do on the day after they deliver the State of the Union address. He headed out
You missed about that Jeep out here.
around the state.
Hey, Weston! You're a fucking maniac. Okay, Garmin.
Now you decide you want back on this line. Brilliant.
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Car on DashCam channel. I hope you took some notes and learned a thing or two from all the silly mistakes. After all, why not learn on the mistakes of others if you already have the chance to? If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like, because that will help this channel reach new heights. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe.